Get out of my way. You're going to risk. You'll be my prey. And to avoid this, what the hell? Get out of my way. Get out of my way.